Okay, we're on to the next step. We have chilled our system. I'm going to turn down the mixer. Now, the 30 grams of potassium permanganate is being added. We do this slowly, like 0.5, 1 gram at a time. It will raise the temperature of your system. You do not want this system to go over 90 degrees. At above 90 degrees, we have boiling water, hydrogen, potassium, and sulfur in the air. Potential explosion. And so we need to put this in slowly and watch our temperature gauge. So that's why the thermometer's in there. So as with anything with hood, we keep the hood as closed as possible, and we shake a little bit in. Let it mix. Watch the temperature gauge. We should have a 5 to 10 degree jump and then bounce back down. I'm going to keep the video on while I do this. It will be a little longer video because of that, but you're going to see the whole procedure. So I have with that, I have a 5 degree rise. Let's put a little bit more in. And if you can't figure out how much material it takes for 0.5 to 1 gram of material, then weigh them out of separate weigh boats and put them in slowly. If you do at any point get an over temperature, you can grab ice from your ice buckets and you can put ice in your system, which I'm not doing. I'm putting more ice in the system for the cooling part. So anyway, we have now that's going to rise a little bit more. So we've had a 15 degree rise altogether. The solution is going to turn dark blue and turn a little sludgy. So remember, we don't want to get it above, we want to try to maintain between 0 and 45 degrees. Now I'm going to use the thermometer to stir this in, watching the temperature the whole time. And I'm going to put the stir rod back on, and I'm going to let this thing mix to its full potential. We have some melting going on, so I'm going to put more ice into our outside tub, and this is the other reason you have the extra ice here, is to refill your ice. Make sure you're always keeping this in ice and under protection. We do not want over temperature. We have potential explosion dangers if it goes over temperature. See you next video. Dude, can you do me a favor?